Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to know what is the current Squarespace plan that you have, and also how you can change it and know it. Before we start, it's useful to know why checking your Squarespace plan is important. Your plan determines the features available on your website, such as the number of pages you can create, e-commerce functionality, custom domains, and analytics. Knowing your plan helps you decide if you need to upgrade, downgrade, or add extra services. So to know, basically the Squarespace plan is and downstream yourself in places. Workspace is all about the downstream. Everything you can see is very high. That's a real thing. After you have been on the admin dashboard, which is going to be represented with this, you're going to find that, as you can see, I have a web trial. This is a website trial. Normally it is going to show up the name of the plan here. As you can see, here we have a trial. If you do not see the plan name here, you can go ahead and consult your website real quick. Head over to the left side of the screen. Click on Settings. From the settings, click on Billing, and you're going to click on Subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions. You're going to see all the active subscriptions that you have. As you can see, for the moment, I do not have any active subscription. We have only a trial subscription for the website. We can click on it to see more details. You can see that we have the website URL, subscription since, and expiry dates too. If you are thinking about upgrading, Squarespace usually offers multiple plan options: personal, business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce. Each plan comes with different features, so make sure to check the details before making changes. You can also compare your current plan with higher tier plans to see what features you're missing, like e-commerce tools, professional email, or analytics. If you manage multiple websites, each website will have its own subscription plan. So, checking each site individually ensures you know which plan is applied to which website. This is it. This is how we can find and know what is our plan that we have on Squarespace. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.